we ended the last year with a net debt of 1,54,478 crores. We have a very clear roadmap to becoming a zero net debt company within the next 18 months, that is by 31st March 2021.
Asia's richest man made this promise to all Reliance Industries shareholders a little less than a year ago. It was a bold statement given that details on how he planned to go about doing it were sketchy at the time. A lot was riding on Saudi Aramco investing in the petrochemical arm, but that's yet to see the light of day. Yet, Mukesh Ambani and his team have managed to raise enough capital to write off the entire debt 9 months ahead of schedule, at least in intent. Retail shareholders have helped, subscribing to Reliance Industries' only rights issue in more than 20 years. That will help raise a little more than 53,100 crore rupees. But a bulk of the money will come from one-year-old Jio platforms. While the entire amount committed towards Reliance Industries adds up to 1.68 lakh crore, there are a few niggles that need to be dealt with before the money actually starts reflecting in RIL's balance sheet. Let's start with the rights issue. The retail shareholders have paid just 25% of the total value right now. That's 314.25 rupees per share. That's a little more than 13,280 crore rupees. The remaining 39,845 crore rupees will come in fully only by November 2021. Now to the commitments made by 10 global investors in Jio platforms. The entire 1.15 lakh crore rupees may not have come through yet. The official statement sent out by Reliance Industries after each deal was inked states that the investors will transfer the amount to buy a certain stake in Jio platforms. The money will come in only after all the regulatory approvals are secured. The Competition Commission of India has recently said that it's initiating an antitrust probe into Facebook's proposal to buy a shade less than 10% for 43,573 crore rupees. The probe may be procedural, but it means that the approvals will take time. Another way to pare debt is to generate free cash flows. Reliance Industries' cash and cash equivalents stood at 1.75 crore as on March this year. With most capex complete and fresh investments in subsidiaries being deferred, the country's most valuable company in terms of market cap will have cash on its books to write off a substantial chunk of its debt. The fundraise is commendable given such trying times, but Reliance Industries might have to wait a bit longer for the entire amount to reflect on its balance sheet and therefore turn truly debt-free.